First time going to the free weight section. Congratulations. The free weight section is a incredibly daunting place to go. So I've had my gym membership since late December 2024. As a female, the free weight section really frightens me. Yes, this frightens a lot of people, not even just females. Just anyone going to the gym. I guess I was worried someone would laugh at me. Well, you're making me smile right now because I've worked with a lot of people like this over the years, and I'm really just happy that you were able to get in there. IDK, anyway, the idea of going over there really psyched me out. So I made a plan to go in the gym in the dead of night so I could mess about and learn without anybody around. Tonight is busier than usual, about 16 people there, all dudes. I nearly psyched myself out again and walked over to the cardio. But I thought, what the hell? I'm not going to let strangers scare me off. I'm so glad I did it. I got to feel the pump, baby. So the pump is when you lift weights into various parts of your body, and there's blood that actually flows to those parts of your body, and it makes you look a lot more muscular and veiny than you actually are. It goes away, it's transient, but it is something that happens when you weight train and is a fun reason to weight train. You get to see yourself look a little bit more muscular than normal. So this is awesome, and it just goes to show you that like there is never going to be a perfect time to go into the gym and to do your thing. If you are new and just getting into the gym, there's never going to be that perfect like, oh, this is it, this is my time. There's not a lot of people here. Like there's always going to be something trying to talk you out of it. There's always going to be maybe you're not feeling the best that day. There's always going to be something, but this person did it. They ripped the Band-Aid off, and look how much confidence they built from just going into the weight room one time by themselves and just messing around. They likely didn't have a super crazy workout routine that had every muscle group. They probably just hit a couple minor exercises and then called it quits for the day. Boom. All of that is just building you psychological confidence to go back into the gym and experiment again and do it again and again and again. And over time, you'll probably watch some YouTube videos. You'll learn a lot from there. You may see people lifting at the gym, and you're probably going to build some confidence from those people. And this is just a huge overall win. So congratulations. And if you are scared to go to the gym and you are about to go into the gym yourself, you can do it. Absolutely, you can do it.